So my dear friends, let's start question number 7. What is the question number 7? A manufacturer sells a TV to a dealer for rupees 18,000 and the dealer sells it to a consumer at a profit of 1500, and if the sales are interested, the rate of GST is 12%. Find the amount of GST paid by dealer to the state government, the amount of GST received by the central government, the amount of GST received by the state government, and the amount that consumer pay for the TV. Here three persons are there. One is here manufacturer. Question number 7. Let me do. Manufacturer is there. Now manufacturer, then dealer. Yes, dealer is there. Then again consumer is there. Consumer. So in case of first case, see, now the dealer, the tax paid by the dealer to the government. So first let me take this as here, this one will repeat it here, input tax as the tax paid by the dealer to the manufacturer is called input tax, and the tax paid by dealer, consumer to the dealer is called output tax. So if you subtract these two, input tax minus, output tax minus input tax will be easier. Tax paid to government is a tax paid to government. So now first one, manufacturer sells the TV to dealer at rupees 18,000. So selling price of manufacturer is here 18,000. Then dealer sells it to consumer at a profit of 1,500. So let that be the next step. So first one is GST percentage. GST percentage is equal to 12%. As it is an interstate case, so input tax paid by dealer is equal to CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 12 by 2% of rupees 18,000. So it will be 6% of rupees 18,000. So 6% of 18,000 will be equals to how much? 0 0 cancel. Then 186 you multiply 360 plus 360 720 plus 360 will be how much? Tell me. It will be equals to 1080. So now again, selling price of dealer. Now dealer selling price of dealer. So this is the case of manufacturer. So now I am doing the case of selling price of your dealer. Dealer sells it at a profit of rupees, how much? Profit of rupees 1,500. So it will be 18,000 plus 1,500. 18,000 plus 1,500 will be equal to 19,500. So and GST at the same rate, that is 12%. So output tax collected by dealer is equal to CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 12 by 2% of rupees 19,500, which will equal to 6% of 19,500, which will be equals to, if you multiply 195 into 6, so it will be 1170. 1170 will be your answer. So now bit 1, what is the amount of GST paid by dealer to state government? Amount of, so bit 1, amount of GST paid by dealer to state government. As I have told you earlier, that input tax, output tax minus input tax will be the tax paid to the state government. So it will be 1170 minus 1170 minus your how much amount of GST paid by dealer to state government will be equals to your 1170 minus 1080, which will be equals to your 90 rupees 90. Similarly, amount of GST received by the central government. So bit number 2, amount of GST received by state government or central government is equal to first the GST paid by the manufacturer. GST paid by the manufacturer is how much? 1080 plus the GST paid by the dealer, that is 90. So it will be equals to once again 1170. Again, the amount of GST received by state government, so the amount that consumer pays for the TV is equal to your first one is your how much selling price 19,500 plus rupees 1170 plus rupees 1170, that you have to pay, that the consumer has to pay both the things. So 19,500 then 1170 plus 1170 70 140, so it will be 8, then 9 1 20 plus 21, so it will be 21,840 that the consumer has to pay. So this is all about your question number 7. So let's start question number 8, my dear friends. Question number 8, a shopkeeper buys a camera at a discount of 20% from the wholesaler, and the printed price of the camera being 1600, the shopkeeper sells it to a consumer at the printed price. If the sales are interstate, then and the rate of GST is 12%, find the GST paid by shopkeeper to government, central government, GST received by central government, GST received by state government, and the amount at which consumer bought the camera, that you have to calculate. Very easy question. See how I am solving this one. First one is your question number 8 I am doing. So shopkeeper buys the camera at a discount of 20% from the wholesaler. So first one is your wholesaler, then is your shopkeeper, then last is your consumer. See, consumer. First one is your wholesaler shopkeeper buys the camera at a discount of 20% from the wholesaler. So printed price is equal to being 1600, and your discount is how much? 20%. Discount is your 20%. I have already told you that you must know the formula of class 8. So here we have to calculate the selling price. So selling price is equal to 1600 bracket 100 minus 20 by 100. So it will be 1600 into 80 by 100. So cancel it 0 0. So 16 8 you have to multiply 16 8 16 8 is equal to 8, then 1280 16 8 then GST percentage is equal to, I can write here GST percentage is equal to 12%. Yes, 12% GST is that. Yes, 12% GST. So what is the GST? Now GST paid by shopkeeper, GST paid by shopkeeper is equal to is equal to, he will pay CGST and along with SGST, so it would be is equal to 6%. We know that the GST amount will be calculated equally among the state government and central government, so 12% means it will be equals to 6% for state and central government. So here you can write 12 by 2% of 1280. So it will be 6% of 1280. 6% of 1280. Let us calculate. 128 into 6. It will be 8, 6 is 48, 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 4, 16, and here it will be 768. So it will be 76.80. Okay, then up to here completed. Then now come to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper sells printed price. Printed price is equal to 1600. The shopkeeper sells the article. Here, see, the shopkeeper sells it to a consumer at the printed price. Means your selling price is also equals to rupees 1600, and GST is your 12% GST has collected. So GST collected by shopkeeper, that is called your output tax. Here it is called input tax. You can write here input tax. Here it will call output tax. Output tax also you can take this one as output tax. Here it will be called input tax. Then it will be equals to again CGST as it is an intrastate transaction. So here you have to calculate both. So here again 12 by 2% of rupees 1600. So it would be 6% of 1600. So calculate 16 6 yeah, I think it will be 96. So it will be here 96. Okay, then what you have to calculate first? GST paid by shopkeeper to central government. GST paid by shopkeeper to central government. See, GST paid by shopkeeper to central government is here. See, bit 1 I am writing here. GST paid by shopkeeper to central government is equal to rupees. First, what will be the shopkeeper paid by shopkeeper to the central government? See here, he pays here whatever the amount collected will be gone to the central government. So here shopkeeper pays only rupees 96 here collected by here. So it will be shopkeeper paid by central government is equal to 96 minus 76.80 is equal to rupees. Now subtract it. 96 minus 76.80 is equal to 02. Then here it will be 5. So 19.20. Then GST received by central government. See, GST received by central government. GST received by central government. GST received by central government will be, see, how much GST paid by the shopkeeper? How much? 76.80 plus 19.20, so it will be equals to 96 rupees. Then similarly, GST received by state government is also the same thing, that is your 76.80 plus 19.20 is equal to rupees 96. Then bit number 4, what is the amount at which the consumer bought the camera? Amount at which consumer bought the camera is equal to rupees 1600 plus state government GST will be equals to a 96 plus 96. So now calculate this, all this 96 plus 96 it will be equals to 192. 1600 plus 192 is equal to 1792 will be your answer. So you think why sir has added these two things here? See, GST received by central government. GST received by central government, it means whatever the shopkeeper added, only how much shopkeeper added. See, whole shopkeeper buys the thing at some discount, but he collect or he sells the article at printed price. So he added some amounts. So we know that value added service. It is also known as GST. Is also known as value addition tax. So here, we have to add these two. Okay. So let's start question number 9. According to question number 9, a dealer buys an article at a discount of 30% from the wholesaler and the mark price being rupees 6,000. The dealer sells it to a consumer at a discount of 10% on the mark price. If the sales are interested, the rate of GST is 5%. Find the amount paid by the consumer for the article, the tax under GST paid by the dealer to the state government, and the amount of tax under GST received by the central government. You have to calculate. So see what I am doing here. Question number 9 I am doing here. A dealer buys an article at a discount of 30% from the wholesaler. Your first person is your wholesaler. Here wholesaler, then is your dealer, then is your consumer. First one is your wholesaler. Wholesaler buys the sells the article at a discount of 30%. Means your mark price MP is equal to your 6,000 and discount percentage is equal to 30%. Okay, then GST is equal to percentage is equal to 5%. So you have to calculate whatever you have to calculate. We will calculate from here. See first SP, you know the formula. SP is equal to MP bracket 100 minus discount by 100. So it will be 6,000 bracket 100 minus 30 by 100. So it will be 6,000 into 70 by 100. So it will be 0 cancel. 7 6 ja 42 4200. So GST paid by dealer, that is called your input tax. Here I will calculate CGST is equal to SGST as it is an intra-state transaction. So GST percentage will be 5/2 percentage of rupees 4,200. So it will be 5/2 into 1/100 into 4,200. So again 0 cancel. Here 42 means 21. So it will be rupees 105 rupees. Then similarly dealer sells it to consumer at a discount of 10%. So MP, in case of MP is equal to 6,000. Discount percentage is equal to 10%. See here, whatever I am doing here, this is all refers to this persons only. So then again GST percentage is equal to 5%. So SP is equal to rupees 6,000 bracket 100 minus 10 by 100. So it will be 6,000 into 90 by 100. So 0 cancel. See here 5,400. See here, so wholesaler buys the article at 4,200 but sells it at a rupees of 54,000. Means he has made a profit of 1,200. So he has to pay tax on this 1,200 cannot. That's why. Listen. Then GST paid by here consumer here, and GST collected by dealer, which will be called your output tax. Again, CGST and SGST. CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 5 by 2 percentage of rupees 5400. So it will be equals to 5 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 5400. Cancel it. 0 cancel. 2 27 is equal to 54. 27 into 5. 27 into 5 it will be equals to 1. I think it will be 135. Yes, 135. So first question, amount paid by consumer for the article. Bit 1. Amount paid by consumer for the article is equal to rupees 5400 plus 135 plus 135. So it will be 270. 270, these two, if you add these two, it will be 270 plus 5400. 5400 plus 270, it will be equals to 5670 he has to pay. This is your first answer. The next, GST. A amount of tax paid by dealer to state government. Dealer. Here the dealer is the middle one. So amount of tax collected by the wholesaler will be input tax, and amount of tax collected by dealer will be your output tax. If you subtract these two, input tax and output tax minus input tax, then you will call the GST paid to government. So here, tax under GST paid by the dealer to state government. See, tax under GST paid by dealer to state government, paid by dealer to state government is equal to output tax minus input tax. Output tax is equal to how much? Output tax is here 135 minus rupees 105. So it will be equals to rupees 30. Underline and write answer. Then bit number 3. Last answer. The amount of tax received by central government. Amount of tax received by central government is equal to first one. See how much wholesaler pays? 105. 105. Then how much your dealer pays? Dealer pays 30 rupees 30. So it will be equals to 135 rupees will be paid to your central government. This is the way to solve. So, my dear friends, let's start the next question. Question number 10. The printed price of an article is 50,000 and the wholesaler allow a discount of 10% to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper sells the article to consumer at 4% above the market price. If the sales are interested, the GST is 18%. Find the amount of tax including GST which shopkeeper pays for the article, the amount paid by the article by the consumer, and the amount of tax under GST paid by the shopkeeper to central government, and the amount of tax under GST received by the state government. From the beginning, I have told you that I am solving the problems of Understanding ICSE Mathematics 23rd edition written by M.A. Raghurar book. So you strictly follow this book so that you will get each and every question there. Then question number 10. And submit, see here, wholesaler allow a discount of 10% to the shopkeeper. Means here wholesaler is the beginner. Wholesaler. Then here comes to your dealer. Sorry, shopkeeper is here, not dealer. So dealer is replaced by your shopkeeper. Then consumer is there. So now see wholesaler. Wholesaler printed price. First let me write a printed price is equal to 50,000. Wholesaler is allowing discount of 10%. So discount percentage is equal to 10% and let me write the GST percentage. GST percentage is equal to your 80%. You don't put your point here. So write GST percentage is equal to 18%. So now what will be the SP now? SP is equal to 50,000 bracket 100 minus discount. Discount is your 10%. So 10 by 100. So it will be 50,000 into 90 by 100. So 0 cancel. So it will be 45,000 rupees. So you can find the then selling price calculated. Then GST is 18%. So GST paid by shopkeeper. GST paid by shopkeeper. That is called input tax actually. Input tax then is equal to CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 18 by 2% of rupees 4,500. 45,000. So it will be 9% of 45,000. So it will be 0 cancel 450 9%. 450 into 9. 450 into 9 will be equals to 45. 9 yeah is equal to 5. Then 405. 4050 will be there. Yes, 0 will be there. 4050 or 4050. Then now what is the selling price of shopkeeper? Now come to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper also printed price for shopkeeper is equal to 50,000. But here the discount paid by the shopkeeper, sorry, here not discount is there. 4% above the mark price. 4% above the mark price. See here, markup price, mark of percentage, 4% mark of percentage. See, then what will be the selling price? See, selling price will be equals to 50,000 bracket 100 plus 4 by 100. So it will be added here. So 50,000 into 104 by 100. 0 cancel. 104 into 5. 104 into 5 it will be 520. So it will be 520. Then how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So 52,000 he will sell. Some people will sell at 52,000. If you are at the consumer, you have to pay 52,000. Means see, he has buy the thing at 45,000. But sells it at 52,000, means 7,000 rupees profit. See, then so GST paid by consumer or GST collected by shopkeeper, which is also called here output tax. Output tax is equal to CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 18 by 2% of rupees 52,000. See, 52,000. So it will be 9% of 52,000. So it will be 520 into 9%. 520 into 9. 520 into 9, 0. Then 9 to the 18, 8 here, 4680. It will be 4680. Now see, now bit number 1, the amount inclusive of tax shopkeeper pays for the article. Bit number 1, amount inclusive of tax, which shopkeeper pays, which shopkeeper pays is equal to rupees 45,000 plus 4050 plus 4050. So it will be 8100 this one, and here it will be 45,000 plus 8100, so it will be 53100. 53100, that will be your first answer. The next is your amount paid by consumer for the article. Amount paid by consumer for the article is equal to rupees 52,000 plus 4680 plus 4680. Now add these two. 52,000, then 4680, 4680. So it will be 06131 again, 10, 11, 63 is 61 360, 61,360 rupees. Now bit number 3, amount of cash under GST paid by shopkeeper to central government. Shopkeeper to central government. See, GST paid by shopkeeper to central government. It will be equals to, see, input tax minus, output tax minus input tax. Output tax is how much? Is your 4680 minus rupees 4050. So it will be equals to 30, then here 630. It will be equals to here 630. Then this is your another answer. Bit number 3 answer. Bit number 4. What is your 4? Bit number 4. Amount of tax under GST received by state government. How much he received? Amount of tax received by state government. Here, first we have to calculate what is the amount of tax paid by shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is equal to 4050. Then plus how much value added he added 7,000 rupees. I have already told 7,000 rupees, 9%. So it will be 630. So it will be 4050 plus 630. You can write this one also here. So it will be 4680. So this is all about your question number 10. So please practice. So my dear friends, let's start your question number 11. According to question number 11, a retailer buys a TV from a wholesaler for rupees 40,000 and marks up the price of the TV 15% above the cost price, sells it to a consumer at 5% discount on the mark price. If the sales are interested and the rate of GST is 12%, find the mark price of the TV, the amount which the consumer pays for the TV, the amount of tax under GST paid by the retailer to the central government, and the amount of tax received by the state government. Let us start. See, what I will do first. So let me first write wholesaler. Here wholesaler is the main one, first one, and then wholesaler sells it to a retailer, and retailer sells it to a consumer. So let's see, wholesaler retailer buys a TV from a wholesaler at rupees 40,000. So selling price of wholesaler is 40,000, and marks of the price 40,000. Then he marks up the price at 15% above the cost price. That is for the retailer. See here, and GST is here. GST percent is here 12%. So see here. So GST paid by retailer. GST paid by retailer, that is
input GST or input tax is equal to your CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 12 by 2 percentage of rupees 40,000. You know that 4 into 6 it will be 240. So here I can write directly that 6 percentage of rupees 40,000. So it will be 0 cancel, rupees 2400 I can write directly. Then again the selling price of retailer. See, in case of retailer, he marks up price the most, marks of percentage is your how much he marks up the price of the above the 15% above the cost price, 15% above the cost price. Then discount is equal to your 5%, and GST is equal to your 12%. GST percentage is 12%. So here see, so first one question of your book is your find the mark price of the TV. The mark price we have to calculate. So mark price is equal to your rupees 40,000. Then 100 plus marks of percentage is a 15%. So 100 plus 15 by 100. So it will be 40,000 into 115 by 100. 0 cancel, and we know that 115 into 4 is equal to 460. So 460 00. So 46,000 will be your mark price. So underline this one and in bracket write answer. This is your first answer solution. Then the amount which customer pays for the TV, that we have to calculate, but first calculate the selling price of the retailer. Sorry, we have done something wrong here. See, here you have to write not SP, here you have to write here CP of the retailer. Here it will be CP. Then SP of the retailer will be equals to 46,000 bracket 100 minus discount is 100 minus 5%. So it will be 46,000 into 95 by 100. So calculate 0 cancel, 46 into 95, 46 into 95 calculate here. So it will be 46,000 minus 460 into 5. I will do it, then it will be again my answer. So it will be 2300 here. So it will be equals to your 230. Okay, take correct here. 0 then 7 here. It will be 43,700. 43,700 will be the selling price. Okay, then now come to the point. So GST collected by retailer, that is called his output tax. Retailer in bracket write output tax. Output tax will be equals to CGST is equal to SGST is equal to again once again 12 by 2 percentage of rupees 43,700. So it will be 6 percentage of 43,700. So 43,700 into 6 you do, then it will be 437 into 6. 7 6 is 42, 4 3 6 3 is 18, 80 22 again, then it will be 24 26 16 22. So it will be 26 22, and that is the CGST SGST. And then first one is here amount which the consumer pays for the TV. Amount that consumer pays for the TV. Amount that consumer pays for the TV is equal to is your rupees 43,700 plus rupees 2622 plus rupees 2622. So if you calculate all these 2622 again, it will be 442 again here 5, then 43,700 is equal to, if you add all, 4984, 48,944. Then again third one point, that is your amount of tax under GST paid by retailer to central government. So here it will be a subtraction of output tax minus input tax, and you know that the tax paid by consumer to retailer is known as output tax, and the tax paid by retailer to wholesaler is called input tax, and the difference between these two, output tax and input tax, gives you the tax paid by the retailer to the government. So amount of tax paid by retailer to central government, paid by retailer to the central government is equal to rupees, input tax is equal to 2622 minus 2400, so which will be equals to 222. Then again amount of tax under GST received by the state government, amount of tax received by state government is equal to rupees, first how much paid by the wholesaler to the state government, that is 2400 plus rupees 222, so it will be equals to 2622 will be paid to the state government. So this much all about your question number 11. So my dear friends, let's start with your question number 12. That a shopkeeper buys an article from a manufacturer for rupees 12,000 and marks up its price by 25%. The shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on the mark price, and he gives further discount of off-season discount of 5% on the balance to the customer of the TV. If the sales are infra-state, the rate of GST is 12%. Find the price inclusive of tax under GST which the consumer pays for the TV, the amount of tax under GST paid by the shopkeeper to state government, and the amount of tax received by the central government. We have to calculate. So question number 12. So in case of question number 12, see here, manufacturer is at the first level of consumption of the good, then manufacturer, then comes to your shopkeeper, then last is your consumer. See here, shopkeeper buys an article from a manufacturer for rupees 12,000, means selling price of manufacturer is your rupees 12,000. 12,000 is your rupees. Then he asks for GST percentage is equal to 12%. So your GST paid by shopkeeper, that is called your input tax is equal to, I can write here CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 12/2% of rupees 12,000. Why 12/2? You know that here it is an intrastate sale, that's why it will be again 6% of rupees 12,000. So so it will be equals to 12 6 ja 72, so it will be 720. Now shopkeeper, for the shopkeeper CP is equal to rupees 12,000, but he marks of percentage is equal to your, he made 25% marks of percentage, 25%, and first we get discount, two discounts are given, so discount 1% is equal to your 10%, then again discount, offsetting discount, so discount 2% is equal to your 5%, and the rate of GST is equal to 12%. Rate of GST is equal to 12%. So what will be the selling price of TV? First you have to find out the markup price. So first one, mark price, MP is equal to CP, then markup price 100 plus 25 by 100. So mark price is equal to 12,000 into 125 by 100. So here it will be 0 0 cancel, 120 into 125, 120 into 125 will be equals to here multiply, so it will be equals to 125 double 0, then 125 into double 0 is equal to 2500, so it will be 115,000. So markup price is equal to 15,000. Then next is your selling price is equal to your rupees, markup price 15,000, bracket 100 minus 10% first, then 100 minus successive discount is that's why you have to write like this. So once again you remind your formula by using your class 8 book and selling profit and loss chapter, you can follow that one. Then 15,000 into 90 by 100, 95 by 100, so 0 0 cancel, here again 1 0 1 0 cancel and 0 0 cancel. Now it will be 15 into 9 into 95, now multiply it, then 15 into 95, 15 into 95, 95 into 15, so it will be equals to, then 5 5 25, then 9 5 45, 47 into 95, so it will be 5, then 7 plus 5 12, 1 is there, then 1425 again into 9, so 9 you have to multiply once again, so 9 5 is 45, 4 is there, 9 2 is 18, 4 22, 2 is there, then 36 to 38 is there, then 12,825 is your selling price. Like this you have to calculate. Then 12,825 is your selling price. So GST paid by customer or consumer is there, so consumer will write here, consumer, that is called output tax. So I can write here CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 12 by 2% of rupees 12,825, so it will be 6% of 12,825, so it will be 12,825 into 6, it will be 0, 3 here, 15, 5 here, 1 here, 40, 49, 4 here, then 6 ja 72, 6 ja 72 plus 6, so it will be equals to 769.50. You can multiply it. Then again let me start the question number 1. Question number 1, price inclusive of tax. Price inclusive tax inclusive of tax which consumer page is equal to rupees 18,000 rupees 12,825 plus 769.50 again plus 769.50. Both SGST and CGST has to pay. That's why then it will be equals to 769.50. 769.50. It will be 001 18 119 131 1539. It will be 1539. So 12825 plus 1539. Now you add these two, you will get the answer 1539 plus 12825. So 4 1 again 5 plus 1 6 again 8 5 3 1 1 4 3 14364. It will be your selling price inclusive tax. Then what you have to find out next? The amount of tax paid by the shopkeeper to the state government is equal to shopkeeper is in the middle, so output tax minus input tax if you do, then you will get the amount of tax paid by shopkeeper to state government. So it will be 769.50 minus 720, it will be equals to 49.50. Then again underline this one and write in bracket ANS. Here also ANS. Then bit number 3 is your amount of tax received by central government. Amount of tax received by central government is equal to tax paid by manufacturer, that is 720, plus tax paid by the shopkeeper is equal to 49.50. 720 plus 49.750 is equal to 769.50. This is all about the question number 12.